I think one of the big objections that people have, and you touched on, was the fact that you have to be wealthy in order to do this, right? And obviously you don't. And people will ask, well, how much in assets do I need to? It's not about assets. It's about needs, right? And anticipating needs and anticipating what it might be that you want for your legacy, right? I think a lot of us think of legacy and we think of, oh, I want to leave my property, or I want to leave this heirloom, or I want to leave, but we don't think of what do you want to designate? How do you want those things to be passed, right? How flexible can you get with an estate plan?
Well, depending on what tools you're using and what type of plan you have, the most flexible plan will be the trust-based plan.
Yeah.
Just to give a comparison.
Yeah.
In terms of, let's make it $100,000.
Yeah.
Okay, you have a 20-year-old kid that you're gonna leave $100,000 to.
Yeah.
What do you think is the best strategy for that 20-year-old kid?
I'm not leaving
Do you
it to
want to
him.
get it all at? What would you do at 20 years old with $100,000?
No, I'd be gone by the time I'm 21. It's easy.
Exactly.
Easy.
Very easy for that money to be mismanaged, to be taken advantage of, or to get into trouble.
Yeah.
Right. So with a will-based plan or no plan, whether you do one or the other, that money, if it's supposed to go all to your son, will end up being like a slide.
Yep.
All at once.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
right.
As compared to a trust where you could say, okay, you don't get any money outright until you're 25, 30, whatever the case may be. But in the meantime, it's going to be used for your health, maintenance, support, education, and et cetera, right?
Yeah.
You could actually build in even specific things that it can be used for in addition to that.
Absolutely.
So you can get really, really flexible and really catered and really detailed
Yep.
into how it's being done. And that's not something that you could do with the other options.
Absolutely.